Imagine an oasis in the midst of a sprawling, exciting, and established master plan community surrounding a scenic lake and nestled in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. A place where you could enjoy an active adult lifestyle paired with the opportunity to be part of a diverse and amenity-rich community. Just around the corner, you can find the charming shops and eateries of a historic downtown area. And a little further away, the big-name brands and national restaurant chains in and around the largest shopping mall in the state of Georgia. Sound too good to be true? You could have that and so much more if you lived at the Retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake in Hall County. Marking one of the newest and most anticipated additions to the city of Flowery Branch, the Retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake is presented by Encore by David Weekley Homes. The 55-plus active adult lifestyle division of the award-winning national home builder offers a stunning collection of 12 lakeside cottage-inspired ranch floor plans priced from the 332s. Two of those floor plans, the Meadow Hill and the Gilmore, are exquisitely represented in the community's two professionally decorated model homes. Prospective new neighbors at the Retreat are invited to stroll through the rooms of each of these models, designed by the talented team at Kathy Andrews Interiors to showcase each floor plan's most outstanding features. Crafted to provide the ultimate in one-level living, homes at the Retreat boast open concepts that are ideal for entertaining, elegant owner retreats that offer an undeniable sense of tranquility, chef-inspired kitchens where owners can expand their culinary skills, professional lawn care maintenance, and more. Ranging in size from 1,694 square feet to 2,684 square feet. Several floor plans at the Retreat offer the option to add a second floor. And speaking of options, with so many amenities and area destinations from which to choose, every day presents a new adventure both in and around the Retreat. Sterling-on-the-Lake by Newland is well known for its wealth of amenities, from its Lakeside Clubhouse with fitness center and full-time lifestyle director to several pools, playgrounds, walking trails, and more. The addition of the Retreat brings its own collection of amenities designed to enhance the active adult lifestyle. Start your day on the yoga lawn or in the indoor pool. Meet up with friends in the 4,500 square foot clubhouse before heading out to the courts for a friendly game of pickleball. Come discover this very special celebration of luxury, leisure, and life. The first 20 home sites have just been released to the public, and special incentives are underway for a limited time. To learn more about the Retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake, visit davidweekley.com.